Hello everyone, is your T-Mobile 5G gateway stuck in a restart loop? Follow these quick guide to troubleshoot and fix the issue with ease. To fix a T-Mobile 5G gateway that keeps restarting or rebooting, check the power issue, inspect for hardware or overheating issues, and if the problem persists, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance or a replacement device. Why T-Mobile 5G gateway keeps restarting, rebooting? If your T-Mobile 5G gateway keeps restarting or rebooting, this is a common issue that can be caused by several factors including firmware problem, hardware faults, overheating, or power supply issue. Fix 1. Use the original power cord and check connections. Always use the power cord that came with your T-Mobile 5G gateway. Third-party or incompatible cords may not supply the correct voltage or current, causing power problems. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the gateway's power port and firmly connected to a working electrical outlet. Loose connections can prevent the device from powering on or cause intermittent power loss. Fix 2. Check for power source. A faulty power outlet or a improperly seated adapter can prevent your gateway from receiving power. To check if the power outlet is working correctly, plug in another electrical device like a lamp or a phone charger. If the device powers on without any issue, the outlet is functioning properly. If it doesn't, try using a different outlet in your phone. Fix 3. Prevent overheating. Make sure the gateway is in a well ventilated area and not near heat sources or enclosed spaces. Excessive heat may trigger built in safety features that shut down or restart the device to prevent damage. If this happens, unplug the gateway and allow it to cool down for at least 2 hours before attempting to power it on again. If the device feels hot to the touch or you notice signs of overheating, move it to a cooler location. Persistent overheating may indicate a hardware fault requiring replacement. Fix 4. Inspect for hardware issues. Examine the power adapter and a cable for any visible damage or wear. Try using a different compatible power adapter if available. Check the gateway itself for any signs of physical damage. If the device appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. Fix 5. Factory reset the adapter. If the issue with your T-Mobile gateway is caused by a software problem, resetting the device can resolve it because a reset restores the gateway to its original factory settings, removing any temporary bugs, glitches, or misconfiguration that may be causing the malfunction. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button, usually found at the back of the device, until the screen counts reaches 0 and release. Wait for the device to reboot automatically. Be aware this will erase all custom settings and you will need to reconfigure your gateway. Fix 6. Replace the device. In this situation, you should contact T-Mobile customer support at 1-800-937-8997 for further assistance. Their technical team can help diagnose the problem remotely, provide advanced troubleshooting, and, if necessary, arrange for a replacement device to be sent to you. It's important to return the old gateway as instructed to avoid any potential charges. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.